Hello, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
It's not really the best day, but it's going.
Oh, what's going on?
It's fine. It's not your fault. My boyfriend's just a fucking asshole.
What happened? What happened?
Hang on. He's calling me right now. It's over. Okay, I saw you with Jessica. Okay? Who the is Jessica?
Who's Jessica?
I'm sorry for screaming. I'm in an Uber. You're pissing me off. No, I'm done.
What just happened?
I'm so sorry. Like, that's my fault, but...
What happened? Are you okay?
Anyway, my boyfriend, I just found out about something that I shouldn't have, but...
Was he cheating on you?
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Oh my gosh.
So
what are you gonna do? So you're single now?
Yeah, so it's kind of, I don't know. I'm done. So what are you doing after this?
I'm just driving Uber.
So when are you finished?
Well, I was gonna drive for a few more hours. I gotta pay my
I feel like no. You need to, as soon as you drop me off, you need to come with me, and we're gonna get up.
I'm gonna come with you?
Yes!
Where are you going?
We're gonna go get the drinks. We're gonna go.
It says you're going to a bar.
Yeah, you're coming with me.
Are you serious?
Yes, come with me.
This has never happened to me before.
Yes.
This is like my dream.
What's your name?
Dylan.
Okay, yes. Literally, you are so
Oh
cool.
my God.
You have to come with me.
My
4th of July is gonna be so fun.
My TikTok followers are gonna love this. I literally post these on TikTok. Like,
oh my God, this is so funny.
Like, they call me the Uber is God. All right, I'm down. Let's go. This is like dream come true.
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.